Hello everyone, how to tuts back with another new video, and in this video I will guide you how to turn on online status on Fiverr application. So first of all you need to open your Fiverr app. Then you can see this is the interface. If you don't you need to tap here right bottom corner of your screen's profile icon. Once you tap here, then you can see here the option online status. Maybe you will not see this. You can see here like this. So you can see this is the gray color, or it means it's disable online status, and you need to turn on your seller mode if it's your the buying mode, and scroll down. Then you can see here the option preference. So simply tap on the preference and you can see here the online status. So by default it's a turn off, so simply tap here and now it's okay now. So if you go back your profile, then you can see here that it's a green color now. So today's no more, and see you the next video.